Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about absolute error, relative error, random error. Previously we discussed about random error. How the random error is occurred. Random error is occurred due to unpredictable fluctuation in the experimental conditions like temperature change, mechanical vibration change. These are all things. So that error can be rectified by using repeated measurement and taking the arithmetic mean of all the values. Okay, we will do that and we will see what will be happening. Okay, clear? Okay. So first I am taking in a measurement A1, A2, A3, up to etc. AN are the measured values. Okay. Then we need to find out the true value or to be the actual value. What is true value? True value, or we can say that actual value, or accurate value, like that. That we will say that mean value also will be the name. A mean, like that will represent. A means you take the arithmetic mean of all the values. Then what happens? That is to be the good measurement. Okay. A1 plus, A2 plus, A3 plus, up to etc. An. How many values? N values. So this is the arithmetic mean. This is a true value. Okay. Now we will find out the error in it. Error means first we will see the absolute error. We got the true value. Okay. From that we can find out the error. What is absolute error? We already seen that error is the difference between true value and the measured value. Okay. So absolute error, it is a difference between the magnitude of true value and measured value. Okay, clear? And it is to be represented by, it is to be using a symbol delta, modulus of delta A. So we will take it the absolute error in the first measurement, delta A1. That is equal to what? You will take it as, you will get the true value, that is mean value, minus measured value, that is A1. Next you will get modulus of delta A2, that you will get what? A mean minus A2. Up to etc. what you will get? Delta A. That is equal to A mean minus nth measured value. This is the absolute error in each measured value, or we can say that this is the error in all each measured value. Clear? Okay. Now we will see mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. Mean absolute error is the maximum possibility of error in a measurement. Okay, how we will find out? Just we will take out the arithmetic mean of all the errors. These are all errors. We will take the arithmetic mean of all the values of absolute error. Absolute error. Okay, you take the arithmetic mean of all the values absolute. So that is represented by delta A mean. That is equal to delta A1 plus. This is a modulus. That means if it is minus or plus, whatever it is, the absolute error is a positive. Clear? delta A2 up to etc. modulus of delta A whole divided by n. This is the mean absolute error. This is the error in the measurement, maximum possible error in a measurement. So we can write a variable. A variable we can write. A variable A is equal to what you get? The true value, that is a mean value, plus or minus delta A. That means if any other person may measure, the value of A may be in between delta A mean plus delta A mean and A mean minus delta A mean. Okay, that is value of A is in between A mean plus delta A mean and A mean minus delta A mean. Someone have a doubt? I'll take an example. If resistance, a person is measured a resistance, that is 10 plus or minus 0.5 ohm. Okay, 10 plus or minus 0.5. From this, what is the true value? 10 is the true value and 0.5 is the mean absolute error. So if any other person may measure, so R value is in between what? R plus 10 plus 0.5, between 10.5 and it may possible to decrease also 9.5. Okay, so any other person may measure, it may comes to be 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, but 10.6 may not. And 9.6 will come, 9.7 will come, but 9.4 will not come because it is less than the limit. Clear? Okay, that is the mean absolute error. Now we will see about the relative error. We will see what is to be the relative error. Okay, clear? Relative error we will see about. Relative error. Relative error means it is to be, the error is related to measured value. That means relative error, it is the ratio of mean absolute error and mean value or true value. It is a ratio mean absolute error and the true value, okay, of a measurement. So relative error, how we can define? Relative error equal to delta A mean, that is a mean absolute, divided by A mean. Okay, in this example we have to be taken an example here. The same example will be, for that example, relative error in R, that is delta by R, like that. Delta by R is equal to how much you will get? What is R delta? That is the mean absolute. That is 0.5 by what is the R value? That is the true value, 10. So what you get? 0.05. This is the what you will get? This is the relative error. Okay. Now we will see what is percentage error. Last one. Percentage error is very easy to find out. The relative error in percentage. Okay, so that means percentage error, what you will get? You will take it as delta A mean. A mean. This is the the relative value. In percentage means 100. An example, the same example. Here the relative value is how much? We got this value, from that we can find out the percentage. Delta R divided by R into 100%. What you get? Relative value is 0.05 into 100. So what you get? 5%. So the percentage error in this measurement of resistance is 5%. This is the about absolute error, relative error and percentage error. Okay. Next we will see about a problem based on errors. Now we will see a problem based on relative error and percentage error. Okay. What is the question? The measured values of length are 9.8 centimeter, 9.9 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10.1 and 10.2 centimeter. Calculate the relative error and percentage error in the measurement. Okay. So they have given the so many measured values. By using that, we need to find out the relative error and the percentage error. Okay. So first of all, we will write the measured values. Okay. Measured values. Measured values are how much? 9.8, 9.9, 10, 10.1 and 10.2. Okay. First we have to find out the mean value. Okay. So mean value means what? A mean. What is the formula for A mean? Everybody know what is the A mean formula? If A mean means what? A1 plus A2 plus up to etc. AN divided by N. Here this is with the length. So I am using the variable L mean for a length. That is L1 plus L2 plus all divided by how many? L1 is how much? 9.8 plus 9.9 plus 10 plus 10.1 plus 10.2 and this is the thing. How many values? 5 values divided by 5. Total how much you will get for this? This is to be 9.8 plus 10.2. It will come 20. 9.9 plus 10.1. That is again 20, 20, 40, 50 by 5. That is how much? 10. That is a what? L mean. That is a true value. Okay. Then next we will find out the absolute error. Absolute error in each measurement. Okay. Absolute error means what will take? Absolute error means the true value means true value minus the measured value. That is, so I am going to find out absolute error in the first measurement. Okay. What is the true value? 10 minus first measured value 9.8. That is what you will get 0.2. Next, delta L2 is absolute error in the second measurement. That is true value 10 minus what you will take? That is 9.9. That how much you are getting? That is should be 0.1. Next, delta L3 that is equal to 10 minus 10. That is equal to 0. Next, delta L4 how much is coming? 10 minus the fourth measured value is 10.1. Actually what you are getting minus 1, but we are to be considering the modulus only, so it is 0.1 itself. Then delta L5 modulus of delta L5 is 10 minus 10.2. Here also you are getting minus 0.2, but modulus means always positive. This is the absolute error. Next we will see about mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. Mean absolute error means take the mean value, that is delta mean. That is equal to what you will get? That you will get it as mean of all these values. That is 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0 plus 0.1 plus 0.2. So what you are getting? How many values? There are 5 values. How much? This is to be 0.6 by 5. How much is to be 0.6 by 5? It is to be, you will get the 0.12 you will get. Okay. Now we can write the length. Length is equal to how much? Length, we will write L is equal to what? What is the mean value? What is the true value? That is 10. 10 plus or minus 0.12 centimeter. 0.12 is the maximum possible error. Clear? Okay. Now we can find out the relative error. Relative error is equal to what is the formula? Mean absolute error divided by mean value. That is L mean divided by delta L mean divided by L mean. So how much it is coming? That is 0.12 divided by 10. That is 0.012 you are getting. Okay, we need to find out the percentage error. Percentage error means the relative error is in percentage. That is delta L mean divided by L mean into 100%. Delta L mean is how much? 0.012 into 100. So what you get? You will get this is to be 1.2%. So this is the answer for this problem. The percentage error is 1.2 and the relative error is to be 0.012. Clear? This is the way we can solve this error problem.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like and share.